like a chauffeur.
What's up, y'all? Good morning. We are back in Walmart, going into Walmart again. Lord have mercy. I swear this is a store that's addictive. It's addictive. It's just addictive. But I needed to pick up something for Mama, and I need to get me some more veggies. Because y'all know I'm on this. And that's one thing. When you're on a new health journey, you got to get a lot of fresh vegetables and fruit a lot. Because it's something that it just don't keep well. So, yeah. So that's what we back in here getting. So y'all just going to come along with me. Alright. I got to get me some lemons. And I got to get me some limes. I don't want to get a whole bag of them. Yeah, I just don't want to have to get a whole bag. I know I'm going to use them, but it'll just be me using them. Get me, do you need something, anything? Well, give me 4, please. And I need some bell peppers. Oh, they lemons over here. Open this bag. Huh? They 38. For the limes, 38. The lemon, 68. Sorry, yeah, they still 68. I guess give me 4, please.
You might get a bag. Get a bag, please. $1.20.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, well, keep that because I need some bell peppers. Do we need any more potatoes?
Are they any good?
I don't know. I know Mama made homemade potatoes yesterday. Mama made those homemade mashed potatoes yesterday. I'll just buy some. Well, I had to get some bell peppers. They should. You could be over there. I might have to need some of these tomatoes for a dish that I'm making, but I want to get them when I get ready to come make them. And they might not have bagged onions. Yeah, so I'm gonna just have to get some. Cause they out of lemons. They only got limes. Oh, they golden kiwis done went up. Yeah, they went up. Oof. Got garlic. I need 2. They got a bag. How much are they bag? Get a. That's fine. And a bag of red onions. And I need some more of these tomatoes. Jordan found me a bag of lemons over here. Oh, they got lemons there too. They got some over there too. I don't know the difference in the price, but they got these for $3.92. 5. Oh yeah, these 3. I guess it's just the brand. Oh, well, it's okay. Got my lemons. I got my limes. Oh. Well, what'd she say? What'd she say?
She took the cheese out of the package, put no paper, and took a piece of it.
I just seen them. Oh, they over there.
I know.
I guess just get 3. For now. I'm gonna cut them. Well, no, just give me 2 because I'm gonna cut them. And then when I get ready to do my stuffed bell peppers, I'll buy some more. All right, now we headed over here. Because like I said, yeah, y'all know, fresh peppers and strawberries, all that stuff. It don't last long. It don't have a long shelf life. So of course you got to get it as you can. Oh, there go those apples. That boy been tearing them apples up. I guess one of them gonna have to be signed. What's these? Parsley. Hey y'all. Hope y'all can see. Just got back in Walmart. It was a quick trip, but good. Why the stick came off of me? Yeah, it was a quick trip, but under $60. It's still like, I cannot believe this. You dang near spending $60 for some vegetables. That's crazy. Never in my life. And I only had to give Mama one personal item. That's it. We needed some more cooking oil. But that cooking oil will last us for a while. So let me show y'all what I got. Alright, I got me another thing of strawberries. I just got a small one. Because I just needed some more. Because the ones that I have, I don't have that many left. I bought a bag of lemons so I can make me some more lemon water. I got some lime. Well, I did get some limes too. I got 4 limes, 2 bell peppers. I got me 3 of the sweet bell peppers, 2 of the beef steak tomatoes. I got lettuce still left. Jordan needed to get one more thing of tomato paste for something he's making, and I had to go get me some red onions, sweet onions, whichever you call them. Some potato, a 10-pound bag of potatoes. Like I said, these potatoes was like $5.80 something, and then the vegetable oil was $8. And like I said, mama item that I had to get her was a little bit over 10. So yeah, so that's it, y'all. So I'm about to fix me some breakfast. I'm just gonna do something simple and fix me some fruit infused water or something. I do have a Temu haul that I'm gonna share with you guys because I got these vegetable, what you call, like the vegetable extenders with how you clean your vegetables and stuff off. And then I got me a cup. This came separate. It came in a Temu bag, but it came separate. UPS brought my Temu box, but what you call it? But our mailman dropped this off, so I don't know why this one came separate. But I got 3 more boxes, huh? Yeah, and I got 3 more boxes that's gonna come in. So I'm gonna use one of my vegetable things to wash my stuff now. So yeah, but I got a lot of stuff in this box. Y'all see, this is a big whole box. And it's a lot of stuff that's in here. So y'all just stay tuned. Most of this stuff is like things for your house and kitchen stuff that I really been wanting to get my hands on. Alright, so if y'all interested in seeing it, y'all just stay tuned. Y'all know I did one on my main channel, but now I'm doing one. I'm doing one on my second one. Like I said, this is just more household items and stuff that I can use in the kitchen. But thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the walkthrough and this small little fruit and veg haul. I'm about to give me something to eat and drink because it's 9:30. And I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe, stay warm. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Later. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.